kind of a depressing day today, but at least the ducks and geese at the pond seem to really enjoy the shade. There were a few more over that way, but they were being a bit loud. Plus there was a family, and it's always really weird like recording when there are people like right nearby. That's why I can't be a true vlogger. I feel like those people just do not care when other people are in frame. Oh yeah, pretty good day today. I mean, well, I'm wearing my sunglasses. It's not especially sunny right now, but sometimes the sun will peek through the clouds.